Yeah, it's very nice if your man really, will will be like that, Vicky, because every woman dream to become to have a man like that, in their life. In our life pala, in their life. I am a woman. I am a woman in love. Oh my goodness. Oh, yung topic natin pa nagkakaano-ano na. Men also test drive a relationship to assess compatibility, trust, and commitment. Here are same ways men might do this. Oh, do you? Number one, independence test. So they like to do the independence test, guys. Ayan, mag-highlight muna tayo. So, number one, men likes to do the independence test because men loves independent. Oh, ayan. Take note, ladies, ah. Don't bring them to the jail. Your man. They likes to go outside. They doesn't like to be controlled. They doesn't like things to being told so. So, this is really, if you are a woman like acting like a mother, nagging, nako, ito na. So, number one, independence test. He may maintain his own interest and hobbies to see if she respect his independence. Ayan. If he likes to go to the bar, let him go to the bar. If he likes to date with another ladies, oh my god, I don't know if that's acceptable. It is not right. So if he likes to do sleep over with a friend, let him be. So that's the independence test. Let him. If you are still trust test. He might share personal information or secrets to gauge her trustworthiness. Mm. So, ayan. So, you have to be trustworthy to your man. Loyalty test. So, he may accidentally mention another woman's interest to see if she gets jealous or protective. Should you jealous? Of course, jealous is normal. They said it's insecurities. It is. There's a lot of meaning why a woman is jealous. Sometimes they are insecure. Sometimes it's because they are fear of losing you. So they are already acted as a jealous na. So yan, loyalty test. Number 4, commitment test. He may bring up long-term plans or future goals to see if she is invested in the relationship. Oh, long-term plans. Oh, yes. Number 5, conflict resolution test. He might initiate a small argument to observe how she handles disagreements. So, if you are a type of woman who's afraid to talk what you want to say, ngayon pa lang, think of it na that you have to say whatever, not just you are keeping it because you're afraid that he might be upset to you, he might be to you. No, you have to talk whatever you want to talk. As long as it's not the word break up. No, di ba? Matured men can accept that. Emotional and intelligence test. He may share his emotions or needs to see if she's empathetic and understanding. Yeah. Number 7, dependability test. He might ask for help or favors to see if she follows through on commitments. Ayan. Kung mapagkatiwalaan ka ba? Number 8, honesty test. He's also testing. He might ask for help or favors to see if she follows through on commitments. Honesty test, he may ask sensitive questions to evaluate her honest and transparency. Same thing with a woman and men. Number 9, boundary test. He might set boundaries or say no to something to see if she respects his wishes. Right. Is this happening to you guys? Hala, sino talking diri. Number 10, vulnerability test. He may open up about his past or fears to see if she's supportive and non-judgmental. So remember, guys, these tests shouldn't be manipulative or gamesmanship. Healthy relationships are built on mutual respect and open communication. So it is important to note that both partners should communicate openly and honestly with each other rather than relying on tests to evaluate the relationship. By doing so, you can build a stronger and more